Hi, I'm Dr. Karina Robinson, nutrition strategist for the Amen Clinic. I'd like to tell you a little bit about the services I offer. I come in with a holistic approach because patients come to the clinic with a whole list of reasons that they're looking to solve. One of the areas I assist with is your nutrition because it's the one thing we do every day besides breathing and drinking. It's what we put in our bodies. It either aids you or it ails you. So we look to following the global approach of the clinic, which is to be gluten-free, dairy-free, and sugar-free. I also work with functional blood work, so we can look at you as your own bio-individual with your own nutritional fingerprinted needs. We put together a whole plan specifically targeted to you that aids you in your health successes as well as your family, because everybody gets well together. It's very, very important to put on your own oxygen mask first. That way you will be able to assist your loved ones and others in your life.